Hello everyone. Today we'll be seeing a new method to solve linear equations. Okay, so in the previous lecture we have seen how to solve a linear equation, a pair of linear equation using different methods. We saw graphical method, substitution method, elimination method. Today we'll be seeing a new method which is cross multiplication method. Okay, so in this method I'll be taking the same example which we took in the previous methods. So using that same example I'll explain you this method. Okay, so suppose these two equations are given, 5x plus 3y equals to 35, 2x plus 4y equals to 28. These two equations are given and we have to solve it using cross multiplication method. So what we have to do is, first of all we have to write both of these equations in the standard form. Now what is the standard form? This. Okay, so write both the equations in this form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. So that means you have to take everything on left hand side only. In RHS you have to write 0 only. Okay, alright, so what we have to do is, first of all we have to convert these two equations in the standard form, in these forms. Okay, so how can we write this first equation? We can take this 35 on left hand side, so this will become 5x plus 3y minus 35 equals to 0. Similarly, in second equation what we can do is we can take this 28 on left hand side, so we'll get 2x plus 4y minus 28 equals to 0. Now these two are in the standard form. Okay, so now you can see my a1 is what? 5, b1 3, c1 is minus 35. Don't write 35, c1 is minus 35, so you have to consider the sign also. Okay, so c1 is minus 35 and c2 is minus 28. Okay, so from these two equations you can figure out the values of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2. Okay, so after writing our equation in the standard form, what we have to do is write like this: x, y and 1. Why I'm writing x and y only? Because in my question the variables were x and y. If suppose m and n are given or any other variables are given, so you will write those variables over here. Okay, so x, y and 1. Okay, now after this what we have to do is we have to write numbers. You can see I have written some numbers over here. So how to write these numbers? We'll start from b1 b2. Okay, this is b1 b2, c1 c2, a1 a2, right? So what we'll do is, first of all we'll write b1 b2, then c1 c2, a1 a2, then b1 b2. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to start from here and go like this. Okay, so start from here and end over here only. Okay, so first we'll write 3 4, then minus 35 minus 28, then 5 2, then again 3 4. Okay, you can see. Now after this step what we have to do is we have to do cross multiplication. Okay, so that means this into this, 3 into minus 28, 4 into minus 35. Okay, so I have done it in the next step. So what we'll do is this variable x, and upon in the denominator what we'll write is this into this minus this into this. Okay, so you can see I've written 3 into minus 28 minus 4 into minus 35, 4 into minus 35. Okay, and this will be equal to what? Y upon this into this minus this into this. Okay, so we'll do cross multiplication. Minus 35 into 2 minus 28 into 5. Okay, so I'll write y upon this into this minus 5 into minus 28. Okay, then this is equals to now 1 upon 5 into 4 minus 2 into 3. Okay, so now I got this equation. Now you can see now how to solve this thing, how to find values of x and y. So what you can do is you can see in this and in this, in these two we have one variable. Okay, so if we consider these two, okay, if we put this thing equals to this, so we cannot find value of x and y. Okay, so what we can do is, since these three are equal to each other, so what we can do is we can put this thing equals to this. Okay, you can see there's no variable in this term. Okay, only numbers are there. Alright, so if we put this term equals to this, and then if we solve it we can find value of x. Okay, so first of all simplify this thing. You'll get x upon minus 84 plus 140 equals to y upon this plus this equals to 1 upon this. Alright, now if you solve this thing, so what you'll get is this: x upon 56 equals to y upon 70 equals to 1 upon 14. Alright, now what you'll do is you'll put this x upon 56 equals to 1 upon 14, okay, and then y upon 70 equals to 1 upon 14. Alright, now if you solve these two, you'll get values of x and y. Okay, so value of x is what? 4, and value of y is 5. Okay, so this is how you can solve a linear equation using cross multiplication method.